Oh. Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. What is
Hi,
your
what
name?
my name is Thảo Nguyên.
Tao. Okay. Hi, Tao. Nice to meet you, Tao.
Nice to
O-
meet you.
Okay. My name is Teacher Christy. Okay. How are you today, Tao?
I'm happy.
You are happy. Okay, that is nice. By the way, Tao, how old are you?
I'm mm, uh, 10 years old.
Okay, you are 10 years old. Okay, what grade are you in?
Mm,
You are grade? You don't know what's your grade? Okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay, Tao, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Tao is ready, so let us start. Okay, let us start here. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you see it clearly, Tao? Can you see the pictures?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's start here. Okay. Okay, I exit it accidentally. Wait. Okay, so let's start here. Tao, do you know how to read, right? So let us read this one.
Um, Listen and read the words.
Okay.
Listen again and say the words.
Okay. So can you listen the words and then listen again and say the words? Okay, so okay,
Okay.
Tao, let's read this.
Fest festival.
Okay, festival. Again.
Festival.
Okay, festival.
Festival.
Okay, okay, this is a festival. Okay, do you know what is a festival, Tao? Do you have an idea what is festival? Do you have? For
Ito.
you, what is festival? Do you celebrate festival? No? No. What's the name of your country, Tao? You are from? You're from Vietnam?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you celebrate a Tet festival? Just like this? You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, Festival Tao is where people come together wearing their costumes. Okay, look at this girl. She is wearing a costumes and a festival. Okay, Festival Tao is just like a fair day in a school where everyone celebrates. Okay, festival has something to celebrate. Okay, just like ours here in the Philippines, we have a lots of festivals. Okay, we have Kadayawan festivals where everyone come together and celebrate the culture of a certain place. Okay, so that is a festival. Okay, Tao, do you get it? Am I too fast, Tao? Tao, does teacher This teacher talks so fast, or it's fine?
Cô bảo là cô đang nói nhanh quá không?
Yes.
Okay, so I will slow it down. Okay, so next one, what's this? Folk,
Folk
folk.
dance.
Okay, folk dance. Okay, so these girls, okay, they dance. What's the name of the dance? It's folk
Folk
dance.
dance.
Okay, folk dance is famous in the Philippines. Okay, this is one of the dance that most of the Filipinos are dancing. Okay, so look at the girls. They are dancing. How about you, Tao? Do you love dancing?
Yes, I really
Yeah.
like dancing.
Wow. Okay, that is great. Do you love dancing? Okay, so folk dance is a form of dance. Okay, how about this one?
Wedding.
Again, wedding.
Wedding.
Okay, wedding. Okay, the couples. This is a couple and they celebrate their wedding. Okay, have you seen a wedding in person, Tao? Have you witnessed a wedding? A wedding of your uncles and your aunts? Have you seen a couple getting married? Are you have you seen these people in a wedding church?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So people, okay, when they are creating their family, they will first get married in the church. Okay, so this is wedding. Again, can you say it? Wedding.
Wedding.
Okay, wedding. How about the next one? This one, Tao. Can you read this one? It's
Family. Family.
reunion.
Re-
Again, reunion.
renew.
Okay, it's family reunion. Okay, look at this town. This is a family picture. Okay. When we say family reunion, Tao, it's when your aunts and your uncles move into one house and then you gather together. Okay, so this is a big family. They are reunite to each other. Okay, it's family reunion. Can you say it again, Tao?
Family renew.
Very good. How about this one, Tao? It's
Fall.
again fair.
Fair.
Okay, so this one is a fair. So look at the picture. People are very, okay, there's a lot of people. Okay, do you have a school fair, Tao?
No.
No, okay, you don't celebrate school fair. Okay, here in the Philippines, Tao, we celebrate a school fair. Okay, where the students are just playing. Okay, they're just dancing. They're just having fun. Okay, so look at the people. Okay, they are having fun, eating foods with their friends and family. Okay, how about this one, Tao?
Right. Right.
Race. Okay, race. One
Right.
more, can you say race?
Race.
Okay, so this one is a race. Okay, look at the boys. They are racing. Okay, running is a race. Okay, so this is a self-explanatory Tao. Race. How about this one?
Team.
Okay, team. Do you have a team in
Team.
school, Tao?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, what is your sports? Do you love sports?
And yes, I like sport.
Well, what is your sports?
And basketball.
Wow, do you like basketball? Okay. So you have a team. So that is a basketball team. Okay, how about this one, Tao?
Winner.
Again, winner.
Winner.
Okay, winner. Okay, in every competition, Tao, there's always a winner and a loser. Okay, this girl is a winner because she has a trophy. So meaning to say, she won. Okay, have you won a basketball? Do you play basketball, Tao?
Yes, I play basketball.
Okay, have you won in a game?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. Okay, how about this one, Tao? It's
Score. Score.
again score.
Score.
Okay, score. So this is the score. What's the score, Tao? It's
31
31 and
and 23.
23. Okay. Who do you think is the winner here?
And home.
What score is the winner? It's
41.
31. Okay, very good. Because it is greater than 23. How about this one, Tao?
Player.
Okay, player. So this one is a player. What do you think is the sports here? The boy is
Is
playing.
soccer.
Okay, soccer. Okay, the boy plays soccer. Okay, so this boy is considered as a player. Okay, Tao, in a basketball, how many players do we have in a court? How many players in
I don't know.
basketball? You don't know? Okay.
Uh,
So in basketball, we need 5 players each team. Okay, so one team should have 5 players. Okay? Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Here, let's move to this part. Okay. Okay, let's read Tao.
circle
Circle.
and correct
Ah,
answer.
again, this is the.
Circle the correct answer.
Okay, so let's circle the correct answer. Okay. Okay, let's read the sentence number 1, Tao.
People visit with aunts, uncles, brothers, and sisters at a
Okay, what's the
family
answer? Family
is family reunion.
reunion. Okay, so can you say it again for you to master, Tao? Reunion.
Reunion.
Okay, very good. So people visit with aunts, uncles, brothers, and sister at a family reunion. Very good, Tao. You are right. How about number 2, Tao? Can we read this one?
The people on a basketball team are
Okay, are. What's the answer? Folk dance,
mm,
players, festival.
players.
Very good. It's players. Okay. So the people on a basketball team are players. Very good, Tao. You are right. Okay, how about this one? This part. Okay. Let's read it. Let's read this again. Tao, this one.
People who win a race are called
Okay. People who win a race are called winners wedding
Winner.
fair. Very good. Winners.
Winners.
Okay. People who win a race are called winners. How about number 4, Tao?
People
Celebrate.
celebrate holidays with a festival.
Very good. Festival. Okay, very good, Tao. People celebrate holidays with a festival. So when it is holiday, meaning to say we are celebrating a festival. Okay. Okay, Tao, let's move here. Let's move to this part. Okay. Let's move here. Okay. Answer the question. Okay, Tao, you need to answer the questions. Okay, number 1, let's read this one, Tao.
What what sports do you like to play with your friends?
Okay, that is the first question. What sports do you like to play with your friends? What sports, Tao, do you like?
I like basketballs.
Okay, very good. Tao and her friends loves to play basketball. Okay, very good. How about number 2?
What fun things do you do at school?
At your school.
At your school?
Okay, so question number 2, Tao. What fun things do you do at your school? What fun things do you
Um,
do at school?
uh,
Do you play with your friends?
ah, draw with my friends.
Wow, you draw with your friends. So you love drawing too.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Can you show me some of your drawings? May I see? Do you have?
No. I
No,
have.
okay. So you are not prepared, but do you know how to draw, right?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know how to draw even a flowers. It's difficult for me to draw a flowers Tao. Okay. How about number 3?
What do you
Celebrate.
What do you celebrate with your families?
Okay, question number 3, Tao. What do you celebrate with your family? Do you celebrate a birthday or what else? Do you celebrate birthday, Tao?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So here in the Philippines also, one of the big celebration that we had is a birthday celebration, okay? Birthday is very memorable here in the Philippines. And festivals also. We celebrate festivals. Okay, what else? What else do you celebrate? Only birthday, Tao? What else? What do you think? Anniversaries. Do you celebrate that or no?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. Okay, so let's move here. Okay. Let's learn facts. Can you say facts?
Facts.
Okay. Let's read this one, Tao.
A fact is true. You can
Okay.
check you can check a fact to see that it's true.
Okay, Tao. When we say it is a fact, okay, this word fact, it is true. Okay, nothing's going to change that if that is a fact. Okay, no one's gonna change a fact. Okay, let's have an example here. Let's read this one, Tao.
A soccer ball is round.
Okay. A soccer ball is round. Is it a fact or not?
Um,
What do you think? A soccer ball is round.
it fact.
Very good. It's a fact because nothing's gonna change that a basketball is always round. Okay? No soccer ball that is square. It is always round. Okay? Okay, how about this one?
Some sentences are not facts. They
Okay.
often start with I think.
Okay. Some of the sentences are not facts. They often start with I think. Okay, let's have an example, Tao. Let's read.
I I think a soccer ball should be yellow.
Should should be yellow.
Should be yellow.
Okay, so this is a not a fact. Okay? Because it starts with the word.
I think.
Okay, so it's I think. I think all soccer balls should be yellow. Okay, so this is not a fact because not all the soccer ball is yellow. Okay, some of the soccer balls are white. Okay. Okay, Tao? Okay. Okay, Tao, our time is over. Okay, so let's continue our lesson next meeting. Bye-bye, Tao.
Goodbye, teacher. See you next
Bye.
time.
Yes, Tao. See you. Bye-bye. Good
Goodbye.
night.